My name is Bibi Teislev from LM Windpower, and I'm a Marketing Co-ordinator.
Great. So what's your main objective in participating with Windergy Expo this year?
For us, it's very important to be here at Windergy. That is the biggest show for wind industry in India. So it's very important to show that we're here, we're open for business. People can come and talk to us, also our suppliers, our customers, other advocates, students. So it's very important for our branding purposes to be here.
So how has Windergy Expo influenced your positioning in the Indian market?
So far it's been very good. This is the 6th time of the exhibition. We've been here all the time and we do sponsorships and we have speaker slots. So we're very active and are working with the organization. And our experience is very good. It's very high level contacts that we have here. The networking opportunities are very good with the dinners and the possibility to have meetings here. Everybody's here. So it's also the top level and other level contacts that we are doing. So we're very happy with the value of these connections.
So since you spoke about networking, I would like you to shed some opinions about how you feel about the concurrent events that are happening, like the conferences and the roundtable that is happening while the show is on.
Yeah, the conference, what I've heard from our colleagues is that they were very happy to get the deeper insights about the markets. What's going on in India? How is the business going? What can we do to improve it? How can we influence the politicians, the industry, the whole supply chain? So these kind of topics were there in the conference and has shed a good light on what's going on in the Indian market for us.
So how important do you think a show like Windergy Expo is at the moment for the Indian market?
I think it's very important because it is a crucial time in where we really have to do something and ramp up the business and get it done. So it's very important that we're all aware of what are the challenges that we have and how to work together to overcome these challenges.
So what is your opinion on the kind of quality of the visitors that are walking in this edition?
The visitors, it's very mixed, to be honest. We have a lot of suppliers that are coming and want to talk to us about sourcing. But we also have customers, we also have people that are coming with new ideas and asking us, challenging us about the way we do business. So that's also been very good. Yeah.
So if I ask you about a percentage, how has Windergy Expo contributed to your growth in terms of the percentage?
That is a very difficult question to answer because we are already in contact with the customers that we have. We are in close contact with our team, and but it's always good to come out and to be open and talk to more people that we usually talk to when we are in our own company. So this is just opening up from us, and it's difficult to put a percentage on it. Yeah.
So would you recommend this show to your competitors and
Definitely.
other industry colleagues?
Yes, we would definitely recommend to come here to see what's going on in the industry, to see the innovations, to talk to the management team of the other companies and to get a good idea of the business. Definitely.
Since I'm hearing a lot of nice things, I would also like to know what according to you is currently the biggest challenge for the Indian market in this sector?
Oh, the biggest challenge I would say is to get the permits done, to get the supply chain working, to make new projects going on. There's some bureaucracy still going on in the Indian market, right? So we need to challenge that. There are some challenges, but I think there's a good spirit and it can be done.
And any feedback for the organizers on how to better the editions?
As I'm hearing, it's growing, it's getting bigger, it's getting more the whole supply chain to contribute. So that's a good thing. And maybe also it would be good to have more opportunities to meet company to company. And to facilitate that, we have the seminars also in the conference, but maybe have smaller meetings on specific topics, that would be a good idea.
Last words for the organizer?
Keep up the good work.